Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Simone Nicole TV, and that's on what period poo. Please make sure you subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and like this video. I'll be showing you guys how I use oils in my hair. I'm gonna do a hot oil treatment, a leave-in oil treatment for the first time, and I'll be showing you guys the products right now.
Beat it up, right out well. Oh, and I go deeper than your expected. Oh, she be like, slow down, said it, yeah, that ain't too big. Oh, she a pretty young thing and ain't got no kids.
Normally, I would be washing my hair in the shower, but for the sake of the video, I'll be showing you guys how I wash my hair in the sink. This takes me back to the old days when mom used to wash our hair. If you ever had the mom that did that, you know what I'm talking about. I had to lay down on the counter and get your hair scrubbed and your scalp scrubbed. It was relaxing. And doing it this method, you know, it kind of hurts your back a little bit. But anyway, you make sure you lather up the locks and make sure you rinse it all out. Like you don't want any residue left over after shampooing your locks. So here I have already conditioned my hair. I let it sit for about 30 minutes. The conditioner I showed you earlier. And I am now going to show you guys how my hair looks after rinsing out the shampoo and rinsing out the conditioner. We have clean, luscious locks. And you will definitely be able to see my new growth. So I have decided in 2022 I'm going to be taking more care of my locks by moisturizing and putting oil on my scalp and the actual locks itself. So that's why I decided to do a oil treatment to my hair. My loctician usually does it for me, but I don't go to her as often as I would like to because I travel for work, like you guys know. So basically what I'm going to be doing here is just drenching my locks with oil, making sure I have enough oil on it to where it's not soaking up to the point where I can't even tell that I put it on, because that happens a lot of the time. My locks will soak it all up. So I'm putting a very, very generous amount of oil. And then once I finish that, I will go ahead and twist my hair and then style it.
Oh, Lord. Go ahead, girl. You're real. Look, you got real.
I never added in hair.
When you went to that girl,
Okay,
when
guys.
she separated it, you added hair that one time.
What girl?
I can't remember. You went to Florida.
Oh, she didn't add it for length. What she did was, because remember I was freeform and never spread out, like how this one's still spread out.
Right.
All she did was like take fake hair and wrap it around just to make it close.
Okay, gotcha.
Like this one right here used to be, you can kind of tell the difference.
No time to cry.